This explores the various settings available within the EU VAT for WooCommerce plugin to manage EU VAT functionalities in your online store. Click WooCommerce. Click Settings. Click EU VAT. Click General. Set EU VAT Options. Enable EU VAT for WooCommerce. Set Front-End Options. Click Field Label. Set Label. Set Placeholder. Set Description. Set VAT Field. Select Options. Set Confirmation Notice. Enable an additional confirmation notice on the checkout for empty VAT IDs. Set a notice for missing VAT IDs. Set Add EU VAT field to sign-up form. Enable Allow checkout on unregistered VAT numbers. Enable Payment Methods Control. Set Show specific payment method only if VAT is valid. Set method to show for valid VAT only. Click Save Changes. Thanks for watching this video.